Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Come on, go.
What a loser. So we've got Marcelo Hernandez.
Marcelo Hernandez.
He's a spark plug.
And we did a sketch with them. We did a sketch, church lady with them.
Just turned off Chenal Parkway, hit and run, red Dodge 4x4, Bravo Echo Whiskey, 16 Papa. We're on Little Rock streets, ma'am.
I was here the other morning, and
Wow.
yeah, you have to yield to the people in the roundabout. That's the way roundabouts work, lady.
Good God, you bunch of absolute dumbasses. Stupid fuck.
Range like 6'2", 6'3". So I don't know. To me, it's like I wouldn't even call him tall. But yeah, no, this guy was 6'5", and yeah, he was like it seemed like he was so giddy that somebody even remotely his height was. There are a lot of places I go to where it turns out there's like nobody my height. Especially
Fucking ride my ass,
now,
dude.
not to pick on you brown skinned fellows, but
Ride my ass! Quit tailgating! Get off my ass! Don't try any with me.
I don't normally see that, like every single day myself, if I must be honest. Yeah, as it was, I went to Target the other day, a couple days ago in history, and
I should have gotten off there just to see if that's what he did. And there we go. Mother, stupid mother.